Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious steak chips. First, select a lean cut of beef, like sirloin or round, for optimal crispiness. Slice the steak against the grain into very thin pieces, ideally about 1/8 of an inch thick. Then, marinate these slices in your favorite savory mixture for at least 30 minutes to infuse flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the marinated steak slices in a single layer on a wire rack placed over a baking sheet. This allows for even air circulation. Bake them for approximately 1 to 2 hours, or until they are wonderfully crispy and dry, turning once if needed. If you prefer frying, heat about 2 inches of oil in a heavy-bottomed pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add the steak slices in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Fry them for just a few minutes per side until they turn a beautiful golden brown and achieve that perfect crisp texture. Drain on paper towels. Once your steak chips are cooked, whether baked or fried, season them immediately while they are still hot. A sprinkle of sea salt, black pepper, or even a smoky paprika works wonders. These crispy, flavorful chips are perfect as a standalone snack or a unique appetizer. Enjoy your homemade steak chips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.